Hello guys, this is Anastasia and today I want to show you this house. It's completely different area from all the properties that we have, and I'm gonna show you street first. And you can see some construction going on around there. And this is the house that we're talking about. I'm gonna go inside. But first I want to show you outside how it looks. I'm not sure what we're gonna face there, but I believe that it's maybe a good property. I think this is a driveway. And this is a basement. Not basement, oh my god, what I'm thinking about. This guy in a car drove me nuts. Oh, kind of, it was a garage here, I think. And this is backyard. That's it, very small. Not sure if you're gonna need to do the driving. You see, this is a difference in Cincinnati, like you can see what your neighbors are doing. Okay, let's go inside. This looks like very solid structure. Nothing is shifting. It was a nice family home. Not sure what's happened here. This is entrance. Some kind of, you can take your clothes off. One room. One more room. Floor is very solid. It looks like it just need good clean. This is bathroom. Not sure what's happened here. Probably it was just shower. And floor is shifting. Okay. Pantry. So it's two rooms here. And this is a kitchen. It's a lot of noises, I'm kind of paranoid. Okay, that's how kitchen looks. Definitely need some work. And from kitchen you can go to the backyard. And I'm not sure, this is pantry, right? So it's either your fridge going there or you have a pantry. Up to you. And this is the entrance to the basement. My god. Okay guys, it's kind of dark there, so we're not gonna be able to see much, and there is no light, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to show it to you. Door going nowhere. And it was 2 units, I believe, because this door, it's outside door. Yeah, it's gonna be 2 units. And this is stair keys, it going upstairs to the second floor. Solid rooms, no leaks. As usually, you know, when you buy this type of houses, you don't know what kind of problem you're gonna have. Maybe it's electrical issue, probably windows are broken, or maybe everything is fine. So it's 2 rooms here. Oh, 1 more room. 3 bedroom. Closet. Somebody got angry, I guess. Bathroom. With some design on the ceiling. One more room. It's supposed to be a kitchen. Wow! Surprise! Not sure what you can do with it, but it's really interesting. This is something new. Okay, and closet. So this room is dedicated to this bathtub. I'm not so sure if it can be counted as bedroom, but interesting. Okay. So we have 2 rooms downstairs, 3 rooms right here. Not sure where this is gonna take us. Okay. This is the first floor, right? Yep. Yep. This is entrance, 1 room, 2nd room, kitchen, and you can go to the 2nd floor either from here or from here. So it's either 2 units or 1 unit. Okay, coming back. So 3 bedroom, 1, 2, 3. This beautiful bathtub, which this room can become a kitchen if you want to do 2 units. And there is 3rd floor. What I like about these houses, you never know what you're gonna find. Wow. 1 more room. One more room, and I believe it's toilet here. Yep, toilet and bathroom, bathtub. And 1 more room here. I believe this is a really nice house. It's priced. Not sure about exact number, guys, but I think it's about 45,000. I would say it's a good buy. House need work, but it's all doable. 3 bedroom on the 3rd floor. 3 bedroom, 2nd floor, and 2 more room downstairs. So if you're gonna put some work here, it can be a really good house for a long time. And of course, if you're gonna go to the basement to check what's going on. One more look. Ceiling are good. Floors are good. Just paint them. You need to do something right here. Not sure where this door is leading. Probably stabilize the floor in the kitchen. But what do you guys think? Would you buy this house? I'm just looking at the ceilings. If somebody starts working on it and then they just quit. I love this kind of doors, but it's not working. Okay, and right now it's much quieter street. It's plenty of parking. I would say nice neighborhood. You usually check house next to you, and it's nice. Leave me a comment if you like it or not.